All right, here we are, the coldest day of the year. Negative 14 degrees Celsius. The plan is today, we're going to make this cook fairly quick. So we're going to be firing up the Napoleon Pro kettle here. We're going to be grilling up some skirt steak. So we're going to start off, going to open it up, take my grill out, clean it out a little bit. I got my half basket in there. I'm just going to fill that with charcoal, light it up. Once we got a real nice heat source going, then we'll start grilling the steak. So I'll bring you back once everything's ready. All right, so we got that filled with charcoal. Get our fire starter going there. We're getting a nice heat source started. Now what I got here, a couple pieces of skirt steak, and I got that marinating in some teriyaki sauce that I had sitting in the fridge for about four hours or so, and I just rotate it once in a while. There, cover up those fingers. So what I'll do, now that our heat source is somewhat started there, gonna get our grill grate in. Gonna leave it at the highest position there, just so I have some distance between the charcoal and the grill. Now all we want to do is get that grill nice and warm. So while we're waiting for that charcoal to engage a little bit more, time to crack open a beer. You know, you want that summertime feel. So I got a black lager. This is from our friends over at Rose City Beer Works. So nice local beer here. And of course, a nice dark beer to enjoy on such a cold day. See, feels like summertime already. Like I say, we're going to give this a little more time. Let this warm up, probably another 15-20 minutes or so. I'll bring you back and I'll show you what I'm doing. So we're another 15 minutes or so. A lot more of that charcoal's engaged. I've been rotating the grill around just to get everything heated and giving it a brush with the grill brush. I got a nice hot spot there, but it's not so hot here or here yet. So I'm just going to give this another 5 minutes or so before we start grilling that steak. Best part about cooking on a cold day is you get that heat from the barbecue on your face, and just a great feeling. It's not quite as satisfying on a summer day when that happens. I should say it's been a really cold winter, but this year I did something different. I got myself some insulated overalls. I got these on Amazon. I call them my coat for my pants. And believe me, it's that much warmer wearing them. It's been a lifesaver on these cold days this winter. All right, I think our grill's ready. Let's get those skirt steaks on. Now, like I say, these have been marinating in a teriyaki sauce. You can see just how flexible these are. Now, as this cook goes on, these are going to start to stiffen up a little bit. I don't have a thermometer in them currently. So there they are, grilling away. I didn't bring a thermometer outside. I'm just planning on grilling them till I feel that they're done. They're going to start losing that flexibility as they cook. They're going to start to stiffen up a little bit. The other fun part about cooking on a really cold day is just how much steam comes off of here. I could smell the sweetness of that marinade grilling over the coals. There we are after couple minutes. You can really start to see that kind of sizzling on the bottom part of the steaks. Now I'm going to just keep these steaks kind of flipping around. My beer is actually getting floating ice chunks in it. First for that. Now the camera shut down because of the cold. I had to bring it in the house, warm it up a bit. You can see just how much firmer those got. Getting some real nice sear marks on there. What a beautiful sound on that. Now this is how you grill rib steak in the freezing cold. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. All right, before my camera gets too cold and freezes up again, I'm going to be bringing these in the house. Now these have muscle fibers that run this way, so I'm going to be cutting them this way and laying them on the board, and I plan on just eating it with a little tzatziki sauce on top, and we're just going to enjoy it that way. A little bit of grilling flavor in the middle of winter on the coldest day. I encourage every one of you, get outside on the coldest day of the year. Fire up the grill, grill up some rib steak, and we'll see you on the next one.
Wow.